I've been with Smith & Sons for 3.5 years. I'd always worked for big companies. I needed the structure behind me. I knew starting on my own it would take me many years to get a structure where I could, have the estimating and the marketing and everything from day one. I needed to fulfill my mortgage obligations from day one, and that was a big part of it, I guess, having what I thought was a fairly good chance of succeeding from day one, rather than maybe only a small chance of succeeding, and so that was probably the main thing that brought me towards Smith & Sons.
He was working away for, I think it was close to 3 years, and he was doing a drive-in, drive-out. So we'd see him on the weekends, and he'd either drive up on Sunday night or the early hours of Monday morning back up past Toowoomba. So we had about an 8, a 6 and a 2-year-old at home, and it's not a life. And he ended up with back problems because he was driving so much, 3 hours up, 3 hours back, and it's just, it wasn't a lot of fun.
When you are working for a company, you really don't have a lot of, I guess, free time to make your own decisions about what you can do. With your own free time, it sort of allows you to make a few health choices and lifestyle choices. And so I've been able to, they involve mostly early mornings, but at least now I can get up early and go and do that and still be at work by 7 o'clock, and that's what I do. So the whole lifestyle thing is brilliant, and even just being able to drive home of an evening and get home in 15 minutes and not having to go near the M1 is great. All those things just make it part of a great business to be part of, and
it's like a secondary family, isn't it?
Yeah, you never feel alone, that's for sure. You always feel like you're part of something bigger. All round, generally life is better at Smith & Sons.